This is the Garvee's shoe cabinet. Let's take it out of the box, put it together, and then we're gonna put some shoes in this and see how well it works.
For the smoothest experience, I suggest you take everything out of the main box. Make sure you have it all, put it in order. For step 1, you're gonna take board 3 and 4, and you're gonna need parts J and K. Take your J's and press it into the board. You can use a mallet, just tap lightly until it's flat against the board. Put the K into those 2 holes and tap lightly until it is flush with the board. For step 2, you're gonna grab bag A, you're going to grab 18 of these screws. You're going to see holes just like this on board 3 and 4. You're going to fill those with these, just screw them in straight as possible. For step 3, grab bag B. You're going to need 9 of those, and C, which is the wooden dowel. You're also going to need your 2 8 boards, 7, your 6 board, and 5. All of these are going to be attached on board 3. I'm going to start with board 5, which is at the very far right end. Put the wooden dowel in there. Make sure it doesn't come through the hole where one of those B locks goes in. Then we're going to put a B in the hole on the bottom left. Then we're going to place it on top just like this, put it down in there. Take your screwdriver, turn it to the right until it clicks once. For step 4, you're going to take bag B and C, that one dowel. You're going to put the dowel on the 5 board at the very end to the far right. You put all the B's in those circle holes. Finally, take board 4 and you're going to place the pegs on that onto both 8 boards, 7, 6, and 5. Just align them and then tighten the Phillips screw. For step 5, grab bag E. There's going to be 36 screws. You're also going to grab the 4 9 boards. You're going to attach them to the back of the cabinet. Stand up the cabinet for step 6. For step 7, grab boards 1 and 2. You're also going to need A, D, and N bags. You're going to attach 2 to board 1 using the D screws and the Allen wrench. Just tighten those on there. You're going to put A into the little holes on the board using a Phillips screwdriver. For step 8, we're going to put board 1 on top of the whole cabinet. Make sure to put in your B's in the correct orientation, and you're going to have 6 wooden dowels. It's just going to fit on there perfectly, and then lock them in place with your Phillips screwdriver. For step 10, we're going to need 3 of our 10 boards. We're going to need 3 of our 11. We're also going to need O and P and F bag. When putting board 11 into O and P, you're going to find that there is a cutout and it's going to fit in there perfectly, and you have 1 screw. You're just going to screw that in. Then you're going to attach that to board 10. For step 11, you're going to take your board 12. You're going to put it between O and P, and it's going to have a slot. It's going to fit in there perfectly. Screw in the 1 screw attached to there. Then you're going to add the knobs to the front of 10. For step 12, we're going to take bags I and H. We're going to take our shelves 10. We're going to place them into the cabinet using I, then H to tie it into there. That is going to allow the drawer to open and close. For the final step, we're going to take the 3 12 boards. We're going to put that between O and P. What's nice is it is adjustable. You can move it up or down a little bit. Once you find where you want it, screw it in and you are done.
Here's the final GarveeHome shoe cabinet. 3 drawers. I got 4 pairs there, 3 here. Works really nice. Flips up easily. And on the top drawer, same thing. I just have some tennis shoes right here. On the bottom shelf, I don't have anything in here, but it opens up real nicely, and that's what it looks like. So you can put your shoes, you can fit them all in there. Really nice crystal knobs on here. Only a 10-inch depth, so this is going to fit perfect at the front of the house and hallway. It is well-made, engineered wood. It's solid. Also remember, this is anti-tip. You can attach it to the wall, so if you have kids, you don't even have to worry about falling over. If you're looking for a shoe cabinet, this is going to be the one for you.